You ready? I'm gonna count it down so that way you have it. 3, 2, 1. This week's weather experiment, we are going to be making a tornado in a jar. If you are doing this, all you really need is just a mason jar, and you're going to fill the mason jar up with water up until about an inch is left of free space. Along with that, you're going to need dish soap. If your dish soap is a clear color and not a colored like mine is, you could always put food coloring in it. This will allow you to have some color to your experiment, and along with this, it's going to make it so you're able to see the bubbles as we go throughout the experiment. So for this, you're going to dump a good amount of soap within your bottle or jar, put the cover back on, and then once you have it all in there, you're just going to do a swirling motion, and then you will see that a tornado will form within the bubbles. Now, 4 main ingredients for tornado formation. You have to have moisture, lift in the atmosphere, along with this wind shear and an instability of the atmosphere. All 4 of these combination of these elements is a perfect combination to provide for a tornado formation. Here in the United States, we generally see about just over 1,000 tornadoes per year. Here in New York State and Pennsylvania, though, we aren't going to see that many tornadoes. At most, maybe 10 in New York, and then in Pennsylvania, maybe 16. And these tornadoes, they are scaled on a scale called the Fujita Scale. These tornadoes, once it happens, the National Weather Service surveys the damage, and that is how they decide how strong the winds are, and that's how they categorize the tornadoes that we see. So like I said, if you want to make this at home, pretty simple. Just get some water, a mason jar, some soap, and you're just going to put a little wind shear in there and create yourself a little tornado.